Famed New York Yankee catcher Yogi Berra once said, "If you don't set goals, you can't regret not reaching them." I think it was just Yogi's whimsical way of trying to tell us not to overdo it at work. As a window film entrepreneur, it's all too easy to get engulfed in day-to-day responsibilities. There's window film to order, schedules to work out, employees to manage and onboard, new business to chase after, installations to be worked on, bills to pay, issues to resolve, accounting to be done. It can be overwhelming. Not managing your workload correctly can hurt your productivity, your bottom line, even your health. So here are some tips to think about. Get organized. Easier said than done, right? But maybe you're always too busy to get organized, which brings us to this tip. Find the time. You may feel like it's a waste of time when you could be getting other work done, but if you find yourself constantly losing your way, unable to find certain paperwork, keep a schedule straight, well, now you're wasting time. Multitasking is a great way to get a lot more work done poorly. So get organized, prioritize, tackle one thing at a time where possible, and delegate when and where you can. Learn to say no. There are only so many hours in a day, and you need some leisure in your life to recharge, stay healthy, and focused. The legendary golfer Jack Nicklaus offers a paradoxical lesson that whenever he needs to drive a golf ball farther, he doesn't swing harder. He swings slower. That's right, slower. This is so he can concentrate on getting as full a swing arc as possible to increase his club head speed. You see, the correlation here is, while working hard is commendable, if you work too hard, the quality of your work suffers. Working long hours will result in mistakes, fatigue, and time away from important personal aspects of your life. So don't always be available. They say absence makes the heart grow fonder. Sure, have an open door policy if you like, but that shouldn't mean answering emails at bedtime, listening to voicemails over dinner, or taking phone calls when you're trying to have quality time with your family. Have a life, and your work hours will be richer for it. For more information about managing your workload, Madico U invites you to download the content that accompanies this video.